have some breaking news coming in on that right now. The protest that Mamata Banerjee is scheduled to hold in half hour from now. Right, the breaking news that's coming in right now, what we're hearing from the army is that the TMC has made an appeal for an NOC, a no objection certificate, to hold their protest at the Gandhi Murti in Kolkata, but they are yet to issue that NOC. It is still under protest, is what the army is telling us. So that, of course, is extremely important. It's a very important development over there right now, that in fact the army has said that an appeal and a request for an NOC has been made by the Trinamool Congress, but they are yet to issue that NOC in half hour from now. In fact, she will be arriving over here. We're getting some visuals that are coming in right now, in fact, of the Chief Minister arriving. The Chief Minister is right behind me. The Chief Minister, there she is, there she is, there she is, there she is, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee on a wheelchair is right behind us. She has arrived at her protest site. That's the latest information that's coming in. Mamata Banerjee has arrived. She said that she will start her protest at 12 noon, and while we are reporting that the army says that they are yet to issue an NOC for the protest to be held at this particular site at the Gandhi Murti in Kolkata on Mayo Road, Mamata Banerjee has already arrived at this site, as you can see behind me. I'll ask my camera person Sajid to in fact show you the visuals right now. There she is, in fact, sitting on protest already, and there are supporters who are over here, who are already present over here. She said that she will be starting that protest at 12 noon. Remember, Mamata Banerjee is on a dharna. She announced that the decision of the Election Commission is unconstitutional and undemocratic. The decision of the Election Commission to ban her from campaigning for 24 hours. She is protesting today until the time that she's allowed to campaign. Remember that she's already announced her campaign schedule for today. So after 8 p.m, when indeed that campaign comes to an end, she will be protesting in, she will be in fact campaigning in Barasat in North 24 Parganas district, and then subsequently at 9 p.m. at Bidhan Nagar in North Kolkata, which falls under the district and the purview jurisdiction of North 24 Parganas. So Mamata Banerjee has already arrived at the protest site where we are right now. She's sitting alone over there on her wheelchair. At the moment, she doesn't have any sort of leaders around her. We did earlier see that the TMC's Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament Derek O'Brien had arrived over here, but Mamata Banerjee is already at this protest site. She said that she will be campaigning, she will be, I beg your pardon, protesting from 12 noon today. It's already 11:45 and she has arrived ahead of time right now. So you can see that the Chief Minister of West Bengal is protesting over here. And we will, of course, try and go a little ahead as well. If we possibly can, we will try to move further ahead so that we can show you the visuals of the Chief Minister. I'll ask my camera person, Sajid, to in fact move from that location and try and in fact see if we can move ahead. If we can move ahead from this location, I'll ask you to stay with the visuals. Just stay with the visuals of the Chief Minister right now. West Bengal is in fact already at the location. She is in fact protesting over here already. We will try and move. If you, of course, can stay with us, we will try and move as well in a short while from now. The Chief Minister of West Bengal, in fact, is protesting right now at the Gandhi Murti in Kolkata. It has been organized over here. That's the Gandhi Murti behind me, which obviously, like I said, is hidden by the canopy which the Trinamool Congress has put up in order to cover this area so that leaders can in fact sit over here. Trinamool Congress members of parliament and others from the party can sit over here. But these are the visuals that are coming in right now from the Gandhi Murti in Kolkata, where Mamata Banerjee is currently protesting against the Election Commission's 24-hour campaign ban on her. Remember that this ban started at 8 p.m. last evening. It goes on till 8 p.m. this evening. Remember, she had made 2 speeches. The Election Commission had sent her 2 notices in respect of those speeches. One notice which went to her on the 7th of April, the other that went on the 8th of April. She replied on the 9th of April. On the 7th of April, the notice said that she had made an appeal to Muslim voters on communal grounds to vote for the TMC like a bloc. Stay united, don't let your vote split. She also said that there is a quote-unquote shaitan, which refers to a demon who is working at the behest of the BJP, who's trying to lure you away and split your vote. Do not allow that to happen. Many, of course, interpreted that as alluding to Asaduddin Owaisi's arrival on the Bengal electoral phrase. So that was one of the controversial statements which was made by the Chief Minister. She has made similar appeals to Muslims to vote as a united bloc previously as well. And then, of course, was that second notice which went out to her on the 8th of April, where the Election Commission opposition took, in fact, offense to the statement that she made about gherawing central forces, saying that is provocative in nature. It could lead to a law and order situation, and Mamata Banerjee should in fact desist from the same. My colleague Suryagni Roy is now joining me live on this story. Suryagni, Mamata Banerjee has already arrived at the protest site in Kolkata. She is here before time. She arrived here at 11:35 this morning. She definitely remains defiant. She is telling the Election Commission, you can stop me from campaigning, you can stop me from going to the electorate and to the voters in order to appeal for votes, but how are you going to stop me from registering my protest? Remember, even in the case of the word gherao, her explanation, in fact, her reply to the Election Commission has said, gherao is only a public form of protest. It doesn't mean anything illegal. Gherao is a word which has been used in the Bengali lexicon. In fact, in political lexicon for a very, very long time. There's nothing offensive about it, or there's nothing provocative in nature about it. Suryagni.
Well, Paulami, there's another problem that Mamata Banerjee is facing right now. It is with the permission for her protest, sabha or whatsoever we call it. Because the area where she is scheduled to protest from, that is Gandhi Murti, that is under the jurisdiction of the Indian Army's Eastern Command. Now, the Indian Army's Eastern Command has, officially stated that at 9:40 a.m. today, an official, permission was asked by the Trinamool Congress to, for the political program that for that particular area's permission where Mamata would be sitting on a dharna as a mark of her protest. But as of yet, the permission has not been given and NOC has not been granted by the Indian Army for that particular spot. It is still under protest. That means that so far, the Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool does not have permission to hold any kind of, to hold any kind of assembly or program at that particular spot. Back to you, Paulami.
My guests are also with me right now, Abhishek Mishra and Tausif Khan. Thank you so much for being so patient with us. We were, of course, going to come to you a little earlier, but then Mamata Banerjee arrived here before time, and we had to, of course, tell our viewers that and show them the visuals. Mamata Banerjee is already at this protest site. Tausif, how do you think this is going to play out? Is the Trinamool looking to gain from this in the subsequent phases of elections? This dharna, which is so signature, Mamata Banerjee, the fact that she's sitting here on a protest, something, the kind of style, the politics, which in fact catapulted her to political stardom in West Bengal, then of course scripting history in 2011 for the first time. Do you think this is something she hopes will pay her dividends going forward into the next 4 phases of elections?
You see, BJP leaders have free hand. They are continuing with their campaign schedule, but it is Mamata Banerjee who has been banned from campaigning, and therefore she has been forced to sit on a protest, because protest is a democratic right of a political leader. Mamata Banerjee may ban her from campaigning. Election Commission may ban Mamata Banerjee from campaigning, but Election Commission cannot stop Mamata Banerjee from registering her protest. And she has always been a protest street fighter. You know, even in CPM's rule, left rule, Mamata Banerjee used to sit on dharna very often on various issues. And she is born out of this public movement of Nandigram and Singur, where she held protests. She was sitting in the metro channel. She did a fasting of over 21 days, which brought the left government to kneels. So Mamata Banerjee is voicing her protest. She is telling to the people of Bengal that Election Commission is biased in their approach, and MCC, which is Model Code of Conduct, should be actually named Modi Code of Conduct. Dozens of complaints have been lodged with Election Commission by Trinamool leaders against BJP leaders, but no actions are taken. In fact,
Tausif, go on. Right, okay. We will go back to Tausif. Abhishek is also with us. Abhishek, are you worried? Because this is like Tausif and we were discussing that this is signature Mamata Banerjee. This has worked for Mamata Banerjee in the past. Are you worried that she's on the streets right now? She's a street fighter. This is her brand of politics. And now she's out there challenging the Election Commission on the face of it, but even the BJP.
Yeah, Paulimi? Hello, can you hear me, Paulimi?
Right, Abhishek, can you hear me? Yes, I can,
yes,
Abhishek.
Paulimi, the answer is very simple. Mamata Banerjee is currently the Chief Minister of West Bengal, and because she has failed to perform, because she has failed to deliver, she is sitting in this fake protest. You have to understand one thing. Himanta Biswa Sharma ji in Assam, the BJP Finance Minister, also was given one-day ban by EC. He did not go and protest. Mamata Banerjee has given a polarizing statement which is against the Model Code of Conduct. In fact, she could have been penalized further, much stricter action. She has openly said that the Muslims should vote as one bloc and ensure that the minority votes are not divided. That is against the Model Code of Conduct. No leader can say that. Along with that, she also said use the words like shaitan, which is not allowed. Understand the temperament of the person. A sitting chief minister using the words like shaitan is saying Muslims vote for me unitedly. These are all illegal activities. And why is she doing that? Because the people of Bengal have rejected her. They are in fact on a dharna against her. They vote her out. Though mai didi gai. And because of that, Mamata Banerjee in frustration, and Election Commission has done the right action by giving a one-day ban to make her understand, to make her feel remorse. In fact, the bans are that you feel the remorse of a wrong action. But Mamata Banerjee is instead of feeling remorse, instead of regretting action.
Abhishek, the argument of the TMC is that this is one-sided action. There are allegations against the TMC as well. In fact, just let's listen in to what the TMC has to say about the Election Commission ban and, of course, the subsequent protests that Mamata Banerjee is now sitting on. Derek O'Brien of the TMC from the Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament spoke exclusively to consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai last evening. Listen in.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.